Welcome back to Coding Along. You are watching the part 4 of our beginner's JavaScript tutorial. And today we'll be talking about basic math operators. If you're new to this channel, my name is Sam and we do programming, tutorials, projects. We do everything that's just going to make you a better programmer and developer. So yeah, let's get to it. The 5 most used operators. I'm sure you're familiar with these operators. We have the assignment operator, addition, division, subtraction, and multiplication. Let's get to them. We're back at the Google console, and this is where all the magic is going to happen. We have a variable, we'll call it Java, and we assign 10 to it. So now whenever we call Java, we get 10, and we can say Java plus 19, Java plus 19, and we get 29. But if we say Java, Java is still 10. So how do we change Java's value? We can change Java's value by doing this. Java equals to Java plus 19. And now when we call Java, we get 29, not 10. So this is how you can update or change the value of your variable. Now we also can say Java minus 9, and then we get 20. That's the subtraction operator. We can say Java divided by 10. We get 2.9. Why? Because Java is 29 divided by 10 is 2.9. We can say Java multiplied by 10 because 29 times 10 is 290. And we can also say Java minus 9. Now we got 20. So now this is the new value that Java is. Call Java, we get 20. So what happens if we say Java plus hello? We get 20 hello. And what happens here is that Java is 20 and we added it to a string. What happens in JavaScript is that we concatenate this 20. We first convert it into a string and then we add it to our hello. That's why we see 20 hello. But if we say Java times hello, we get NaN, which means not a number. We can only add a string to a number or a number to a string. We cannot multiply a string to a number. We cannot divide a string to a number. It says the same thing. We can only add them. We cannot divide, we cannot multiply, we cannot subtract. If we say Java minus hello, it's the same thing. So this is something you should know. We can only say 30 plus what's up, and then we get 30 what's up. If we want to put some space there, we can say 30 plus, and then we do this, then we create a space and say what's up. Okay, yes. We get 30 what's up. And a shortcut to doing this is you can just say 30 and then you put this, put a space first before you write the word and say what's up. Okay. You put a space there, you plus, and then what's up, and then we get 30 what's up. So I hope you learned a lot from this. This is really the basic of all the math operators that we use in JavaScript. Yes, the next part is going to be shortcuts on how to use the math operators. So keep your heads up for that. If you enjoyed this video, if you learned from it, give it a thumbs up, smash the like button, comment if you have any questions down below. And yeah, keep your heads up for the next series. Peace out.